Today I'm going to show you how to grow a plant from seed that has an unusually hard outer seed coat. In this case, it's the moonflower, part of the morning glory family, scientific name Ipomoea alba. Here's an example of one of the seeds of the Ipomoea alba. You can see it's quite round, fairly small, but you can't tell how hard the seed coat is, but trust me, it's extremely hard. And if you put this in the ground just like this, it won't grow. It may never really grow, or may take a very long time. So we're going to show you how to nick this seed today, a technique that I have used successfully many times, and hopefully it'll help you out along the way. I've found that in many cases, a lot of web resources claim to tell you to nick the seed, but they actually don't explain to you how to nick the seed, and I'm going to try to fill that gap for you today. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the seed, the moonflower seed. And I've found that what works really well to nick the seed is this wire stripper type of a plier. Now, if you find something like this that has these sort of teeth in it around the house, it could be anything, a regular pair of pliers or whatever, this would be probably ideal for you to nick the seeds, especially ones that are this hard. So I'll just demonstrate for you. You don't want to press too hard on this, but you want to break it a little bit. But if you press too hard, it'll destroy the seed. So you just put a little notch. See how it cracked that? Just a little bit. That's plenty for nicking the seed and allowing the water in to expand the seed and start the growth process. Okay, and now that I have nick the seed with the pliers, I can go ahead and drop it in the water. This will be here for probably about 48 hours, sometimes longer. And what you'll notice is eventually the seed will start to expand and crack the outer shell a little bit more. And that's when you know that it'll be ready for planting. So here we are about a day and a half later. The seed has been soaking in the water, as you can see, and you can actually see already without me taking the seed out, you can see the cracking that has begun to form in the seed coat, and that's what we want. That's what's going to allow us to plant this seed and have it be a successful growth. So here we go. We can just pop it in the soil here. I've found with this species, it's good to put it in the soil about ½ an inch down, just like that, a loamy, sandy soil mix. Cover it back up, and now just put it in a constantly wet environment for a couple of weeks, and we should see growth. Okay, so you can see that we've achieved success. The seed we planted after about 10 days in a partially shaded, warm, yet constantly moist situation, the plant has begun to grow. And you can see the seedling sprouting up just there. So we've successfully grown the seed into a seedling at least, and we'll see how it goes over the coming days. So here's our moonflower after about 10 days from emergence from the soil. It's going very well, so we're well on our way to having a beautiful plant to plant in the garden. Hopefully this video was instructive to you in learning how to nick a seed, and helpful in general with your gardening exploits. If you do appreciate the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I can do more content like this in the future. Thanks so much for watching.